If I want to stake on Klima DAO, which is on Polygon, and the assets that I wish to stake are on Arbitrum, I need to go through a number of steps. First, I might have to find a DEX to swap the assets I have into an asset that I can use on my preferred bridge. Then, I need to use this bridge and bridge my assets from Arbitrum to Polygon. Thirdly, I would need to swap my newly acquired Matic into Klima. Then finally, I can stake my Klima on the Klima DAO platform. Now, the user experience for this is not great. Having to navigate across multiple dApps with a number of transactions can be slow and potentially costly for users. Etherspot and the builder component simplify this process by containing all of these steps within a single UI and batching all possible transactions together on each chain. So I'm just going to run through how to do this now. I'm going to add a transaction, add a Klima staking transaction. The assets that I want to stake are currently on Gnosis Chain. So I'm going to select my XDAI here. I'm just going to stake a small amount of $2 for this example. And we'll wait for our cross-chain offer from LI.FI. As we can see here. So we'll go to review the transaction. Now there'll be two messages to sign here. The first one will be on the Gnosis Chain side. And the second will be on the Polygon side. We can see the gas price here. And I'll be paying my fees with XDAI here. I'm going to click execute. And sign this. Okay, now the first transaction has gone through and we've bridged our XDAI to Polygon. We now have USDC on Polygon, which means we can sign our second transaction, the one that runs in the Polygon network, and stake. We'll basically be swapping here to Klima and then staking this Klima and receiving Klima. So I'm just going to sign this transaction and it will hopefully execute here. And that's it. That's the transaction sent. So I will come back and show you our Klima on our Polygon side. So here I'm looking at a Polygon scan, and this is the contract address here that I was running these transactions on. We can see that we've got our USDC, which we bridged from the Gnosis chain. We've swapped it to Klima. We've received staked Klima in return. All of this together creates for a much better and richer user experience. Users do not have to navigate across multiple websites or run multiple transactions per chain. They can pick any asset on any of the EVM-based chains that we offer and stake into Klima on Polygon. This sort of block can be extended for use of any DeFi protocol or GameFi protocol or any sort of smart contract. Etherspot's SDK makes cross-chain functionality so much easier and the way it should be.